Um, Marami nagtatanong kung madali lang bang gumawa ng paper craft. So, I say it, no, madali lang gumawa ng paper crafts kasi depende lang yan sa kung gaano ka ka-interesado sa ginagawa mo. I'll show you my own team paper craft, and this is Zoids, and I don't know if it is a Liger Zero or not, and basta ginawa ko lang siya. Okay. Hindi siya Liger Zero pero isa siyang Zoids na ako lang mismo nag-design and made of paper, syempre. Paper craft. Okay, I show you. Here. This is my first handmade paper craft Zoids. This is made from special paper. Kailangan medyo matigas yung papel na gagamitin mo. Pwede kayong gumamit ng cardboard or any kind of recyclable materials. Here. Una kong ginawa dito is yung pinaka-base niya, which is the skeletal. Ayun yung pinaka-unang dapat mong gawin kapag gumawa ka ng isang paper craft. Kasi nandun yung pinaka-pundasyon niya. Do you see? Here is the head. And you see its mouth is closed, so I can show it to open. Right here. And after you made it the skeleton of the Zoids, you'll put it some weapons and armor like this. Color blue on legs, and also an additional design for the nails. Here, the color blue, as you see, it is made of cardboard. O pinagluma ang mga karton sa bahay. Siyempre, pininturuhan ko na rin gamit yung poster paint. Pwede kayong gamit ng kahit anong pangkulay. Pero dapat talaga yung ginagamit dito yung mga pangkulay na medyo shiny. Para mas maganda siyang tingnan. Also, this is the tail. The tail of the liger. Okay, I show you the top view. Here. Here's the top view of my Zoids. As you see, it is very wide. And it is very easily to broke because it is made up of paper. So very careful if you make this. The glue. Also, I use the white glue. And also, the better one is the strong bond glue. This one I used only the white glue, so I took so much time to bond this all together. Here. Okay. This is the bazooka that I've made for weapon for my Zoids. So it is so very careful. I use the color. I mix the white and black to make a gray one. Ginamit ko dito is three colors only. Black, blue, and white. So the gray one, I mix the black and white. So the gray is produced. I don't know wala akong pinagayahan na model ng Zoids dito, pero sarili ko lang po imbento tong paper graph na to. So, kung magko-comment kayo, hindi niyo po ako may sisi. Ginawa ko lang to ng sarili ko. Wala akong pinagayahan. Pattern pwede pa. Mahirap kasing gayahin yung mismong model ng Zoid if wala kang sinusundan na teams. Masyadong matagal. Ginawa ko to sa loob ng more than 1 week. Siyempre, hindi naman ko parati itong ginagawa. Para lang pag may pastime lang ako. Wala akong ginagawa sa bahay, yan. Pagtitripan ko tong gawin. I'll show you the front view of my Zoids. Here is the front view. The side view. The tail. Siyempre, hindi kasali yung pusa. Ayan. Ginawa ko siya para pampaalis lang ng stress. So, kung trip nyo rin gumawa, madali lang siyang gawin. The back view. Here. Actually, hindi siya magagawa ng perfecto eh. May trial and error din kayo dito, pero sa tingin ko naman, as long as namukha pa rin siyang robot at pinaghirapan niya naman, siyempre maganda na rin sa paningin niya yan. Here, the other view. Okay. The nail. Kitang-kita nyo, gawa siya sa papel. Okay, I'll show you the last view of my Zoids before I end this video clip. Back. Okay guys, hope you like my video of paper crafting. Hindi nyo kailangan sundan yung mga nakikita yung sa computer. Pwede kayong bumuo ng sarili yung model. Kung anong trip nyo. Yun lang po. Thank you. Hope you like this. Bye.